In this example, it seems like we have a two-way frequency table, and on the left-hand side we've got male and female, and then their preferred sport is over here. What's missing from the table? Well, it's the totals. We really don't know what the totals are unless we calculate those out. So let's do that. I'll move this over just a little bit so you can see it a little better. And we'll extend this. These will be the totals. And let's do this. We'll do this, and we'll do a few more lines. And we can do this here, and we'll just label that as the totals. So let's add up the column here for baseball, 49 and 23. That is going to be 72. Soccer, 6 would be in the ones column, and then 11 over here in the tens, so we've got 116. And then we have, looks like 49 here. If we add these up, we could do this mentally, but I think our calculator can do it pretty fast for us. We've got all that together, should be 237. Let's see what our row totals work out to be. We've got 49 plus 52 plus 16, and that's 117. 23 plus 64 plus 33 gives us 120, and if we add those two together, boy, we should hopefully get 237, and we do. Sweet. Let's answer some questions now. So the question here asks, the first one, number 2, says find the joint relative frequency. So we're going to be taking a position, one of the cells here, or one of the parts of the table, and we're divided by the total of males who prefer basketball. Males who prefer basketball is 16, and the total is 237. So 16 divided by 237 is 6.8%. And we're looking for a relative frequency here, so we're looking for that percent. The marginal, so we're going to be using a value here in the margin. We're going to divide that by the total table. Find the marginal relative frequency of people who prefer soccer. So people who prefer soccer, that's 116, and then we'll divide that by 237. And it looks like we have 48.9%. We have a few more questions to answer, so I'm going to take this table away. It'll be right there though. And let's take a look at number 4. Find the conditional relative frequency that a person who prefers baseball, so that's the condition, the person has to prefer baseball, is a female. Well, let's look at our table. So we're in this column right here, and this is a conditional relative frequency, so we're going to be taking either 49 or 23 and dividing it by that column, in this case total, is a female. So 23 here divided by 72. 23 divided by 72, and that gives us 31.9%. What percentage of people surveyed were females? Well, if we're going to look at that, we're going to have to look all the way over here. Oops, move that up just a skosh for you. We're going to look at the females, and they're at 120. We'll divide that by 237 then. So we've got 120 divided by 237. And that'll give us 50.6%. 50.6%. It's a little more than 50%. And if we take a look, we can see that there's three more females surveyed than there are males, and so 50.6% is believable. What percentage of females prefer basketball? So we're only looking at females, and so this is going to be a conditional one. So we're looking here at females only, and females that prefer basketball. So we're looking at this number right here, and that's 33. We'll divide that by 120. Oops, moving stuff all over the place here. Hopefully it's not giving you vertigo. Alright, we've got 33 divided by 120, and that's 27.5%. Alrighty, and we're going to do what percentage of people surveyed were males who prefer soccer. Okay, this one's really not conditional. We're looking at males who prefer soccer, and we're comparing that to the total number of people. So let's look at males who prefer soccer. So males that prefer soccer, right here, 52. And we'll divide that by the table total, which is 237, and that gives us 21.9%.